Good day to everyone. Have a wonderful day ahead. Today, Maldive Joy will be sharing another recipe. How I hope everyone will like it. Anyway, if bago lang kayo sa aming channel, please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below what you can say about the video or share some suggestions. We gladly hear you out. And please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our upcoming new videos. For today, I'll be sharing how to cook chicken in Sprite and oyster sauce. In this recipe, we'll be needing whole chicken. Actually, na-marinate na siya with black pepper powder and some salt on it. You have to marinate it within 1 hour on its both sides, in total of 2 hours. We also have here lemongrass, leeks, and our lime leaves or dahon ng dayap. We also have here chopped onion and chopped garlic. And for our sauce later, we also have here 6 tablespoons of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce and Sprite. And we also have here toothpick to soothe the whole part of the chicken later. To start, first stuff the chicken with lemongrass, followed by our chopped onion and chopped garlic. Next, also our onion leeks, lime leaves or dahon ng dayap. Then let's put again our remaining onion, chopped onion, and chopped garlic. After stuffing the ingredients, soothe the whole part of the chicken with toothpick. Let's start on the bath hole. Just do how I did, guys. I-try nyo tong lutuin sa inyong mga bahay. Sigurado, magugustuhan to ng inyong family. Para na rin kayo nagluto ng lechon manok. Then, to inform you guys, expect it na madulas yung chicken ninyo while sewing it. So, please be careful. Then, we're done with the bath part. So let's go to the neck. So it also like how you did on the bath hole. There guys, we've done stuffing the first chicken. So let's proceed to the next one. Just repeat the same procedure like how I did with the first chicken. After stuffing both chicken, let's go to the next procedure, which is to sear the both sides of the chicken to reach its brown crust form. That's why I have here a heated pan with me. Pour some oil on it and heat it into high fire. When reach the high temperature needed, put in the chicken and sear it until a brown crust form. After searing the other side, flip it up to sear the other side. There, kung nakikita nyo guys, the golden brown na siya. Parang may crust form na siya. So that's it. While waiting for our chicken to be seared, let's get a pot and bring it to heat. And then after the pot heated, let's pour some oil on it. There. Then when the oil already hot, let's saute our garlic. Chopped garlic. Continue stirring it until turns to golden brown. Then next, our chopped onion. Then next, let's pour the 6 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then also our 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then let's place or put in our seared chicken. There. Simmer a bit, then add the remaining brine that forms when we marinated the chicken. Sayang din kasi yung lasa nun, guys. Siya pang pampasarap. Then, it's high time para i-add natin yung ating Sprite. There. As you can see, guys, inubos ko yung buong 1.5 liter of Sprite. So, let's just boil it for about 20 minutes on its sides. After 20 minutes, let's flip it up. There. Para yung kabila naman ng ating chicken, yung ating lulutuin. Let's just continue boiling it for another 20 minutes hanggang yung ating liquid form mag-subside o mag-submerge. Ito na, malapit na siyang maluto. Just a few minutes more, matitikman na natin yung ating chicken in Sprite and in oyster sauce. Finally, our chicken in Sprite and in oyster sauce is already cooked. Before serving, guys, let's gonna cut our chicken. It depends on you how you're gonna cut it. Anyway, before I will end this video, I just wanna say thank you for spending your precious time for watching. Hope you enjoy. Again, if you're just new to our channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and please do also click the notification bell to be updated for our new videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.